Now I'm here at the lake, just relaxing, enjoying this peaceful time by West Lake. And I noticed something. On one side of the city, you have the hustle and bustle of the CBD area. And then over here, you have the peacefulness and tranquilness of the lake. But in both areas, I didn't see any wires hanging anywhere. So let's go find out what's going on. I've spotted something very interesting over here. Let's go take a look, see what's going on. Hello. Hello. Ni hao. Can I ask you, what are you doing here?
We are using the underwater robot to carry out the daily inspection of the underwater cable in the West Lake.
Wow, so this is a robot, right?
Yes.
Can you show me how does it work?
The robot has a camera. Through the camera, find the defect. Hangzhou transferred all the overhead wires around the West Lake to the bottom of the lake in order to retain its beautiful scenery.
Oh, so that's why you don't see any of the cables hanging above in Hangzhou, because it's below the water, right?
Yeah, Hangzhou is a highly cable city. It's not just underwater, there are even more underground. I can take you see it together.
Okay, let's go. Hello, ni hao.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is the underground cable monitoring room of our company. Here we can just take the real-time information of the underground cables, and we can also watch the various operations of power cables. Yeah, now we are just looking at the real-time images of the underground cables, and these are just under our feet right now. And on this screen, this is images from the robot dog. Yeah, and
robot dog.
Robot dog, yeah.
Wow.
And we have the little dog running in the corridors.
Wow, here we have the robot dog, right?
Yes.
It's very modern and futuristic.
Oh yeah. And these two are the cameras that's sending the pictures, the images to the monitoring room.
Oh yeah, what we saw up there.
Yeah. And this is his arm.
Ah,
We can
okay.
follow it to see how it works.
Okay, yeah, let's see where it's going.
Yeah, it could check the temperature in the corridor, and also it could diagnose whether there is defect or flaws in the cables. We can see how it works.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's gonna check these cables here. The underground cables in the city not only make the city safer, but it also makes Hangzhou's beauty known worldwide.